In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Conversation View in Outlook. If your inbox feels cluttered because messages are grouped into threads, turning off this feature will make each email appear as its own entry, which can be easier to scan and sort. With Outlook open on your desktop, look at the top of the window for the ribbon, which includes File, Home, Send/Receive, and View tabs. Switch to the View tab, which controls inbox layout and sorting options. Inside the View tab, find Show as Conversations. When Conversation View is on, this button is highlighted or checked, indicating messages are grouped. To disable it, click Show as Conversations so the checkmark disappears. In some versions, the first click may only highlight the button. If the message list doesn't update, click it again to fully turn off the option. You'll know it worked when individual messages appear separately rather than stacked in expandable threads. This change affects only how messages are displayed. Emails are not moved or deleted. Disabling Conversation View helps you see each message clearly, especially in busy folders like Inbox or Sent items, making sorting by date, sender, or subject more predictable. It also reduces the chance of missing new replies tucked inside conversations. Remember, Show as Conversations is a toggle. Check turns Conversation View on, uncheck turns it off. After disabling, you can continue using your mailbox normally, and searches will return individual messages rather than group threads. That's it. Go to the View tab, toggle Show as Conversations, and if needed, click again to ensure it's off. Enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined Outlook experience with easier-to-read emails and improved inbox management.